How's everybody doing? This is Richie from Bolt Super Shoe Cleaner. I am gonna clean 2 pairs of shoes today. These are some Under Armour cleats that we got from a young kid around here in Grand Junction. And then we got these Huaraches that are pretty dirty. We're just gonna clean these up the regular way, the same way we just been cleaning the other shoes. First thing we're gonna do is add some water inside of the bowl. Like I said in all the videos, you're gonna add as much water as you think you need. I like to put more cleaner in my water than usual because I like my shoes to be extra clean. Open the bottle or spray it out. There's a little white piece in there so that it stops it from spilling. Pour the cleaner into the water. Okay. Inside the bag we got a brush, like we said earlier. Also we got a synthetic hog hair brush. It's real soft. We got a magic eraser here. And then we got a nice cloth to clean it up here. Alright, so we're gonna start with the Huarache. Here's a little before so you guys can see. Since the laces are black on here, we're not gonna take them off. We're just gonna clean the shoe just the way it is. When you're cleaning them, you know, it's a simple rub, just like this. You don't have to be too rough, or you can be really rough because the bristles are really soft, so it won't mess up the material and cause any fraying. As far as the deeper marks, you're gonna have to scrub it a little bit more, but here you go. You got the magic eraser for the little extra hard spots you got in there. Just like here. Just like that. A couple marks on here. Take that rag, go through it one more time, and these shoes are cleaned. Alright, so now we're going to clean one of the Under Armour shoes. I'm going to pick the dirtier one. One's a little bit more dirtier. And here we go. Same exact thing. Grab the brush, get it a little wet, and just go right in. These are all black shoes, so this is going to be like day and night on these shoes. So this should be a good comparison right here. Take a dry one. Alright, we're almost finished with this shoe. Like I said, it's real fast. The cleaner is going to take everything off quick. You go through with the magic eraser and get all the extra hard parts that you don't think you can get off with the brush, or that you could get off with the rag. Alright, one more time just to go through and get all the extra dirt off. And there we have it. It's pretty much a brand new cleat, just like that. Oh yeah, these look great. Alright, there you go. So here's the shoe done. So you can see, you know, it's a big difference. And it's only been a couple minutes, guys. This is not like I've been cleaning the shoe for an hour. This doesn't need to be an hour job when you're cleaning your shoes. It just needs to be quick. You know, you want to get to the point and get what you need done. and that's what we're here for.